Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespicks. It's a package opening today from Thumper lockpicking. So I haven't even opened it yet, so let's have a look. If I can find a way in. Looks like there might be a way in. Quite excited to see what's actually in here. I made a few picks for Thumper a few months ago, and this is what he sent me. So let's get that out of view a minute. What have we got? We've got a Miko. What Miko is this then? .427. Oh, beauty. These are cracking locks. Quite nice varied bitting on the key. If that's the right key. Yep, right key. So we got a Miko 427. God, what's in there? Oh look, oh nice. It's a Sesame combination lock. Heavy duty. Fantastic. What we got in here? Let's crack this open. It doesn't even look like Larry's opened this one. This, oh, fucking hell man. This is the Packlock, just 100A. What Packlock is this? I'm not sure if it might be the 100A, and I really haven't got a clue. Nice blue. This is shit sunlight in here. There you go. So beautiful Packlock. Very nice bitting on that key. I will be doing some videos on these. Oh, an American, I think I dropped the key, an American 1100 in gold. Cracky look at the bitting. Thumper, this is absolutely incredible. It's, oh, what else we got in here? We've got an 1106. Okay, so we got an 1100, another 1100 in gold, more in here. Thumper, this is so generous. It's I will certainly be making you something else in the very near future. So we've got a Sesame. Sorry, but Sesame 1100 clone. I love these Sesame keys, they're fantastic. Big they are. Amazing bitting again. Still more to come. Another 11, I'm not sure if it's 1100. Yeah, 1107 red. Sorry, I'm being really shit with the camera today. So we've got a long shackle, 1107. Again with fantastic bitting. Let's get the boxes out of it. And last but not least, it's a 1106 in yellow. Again with fantastic bitting. Well, I'm a bit blown away by all this. This is very generous. Incredible, in fact. The Packlock. I think the only Packlocks I've got the 1100 clone, and then we've got Sesame. So if you haven't checked out Thumper lockpicking, then do check him out. He's a fantastic picker, and apparently a very generous guy. I really do appreciate this Thumper. That's incredible. Over the moon with all of this. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And thank you very much.